we are looking at how to pronounce this syllable, the letters OA, together in words. In English, we'll be looking at a few examples. Let's have a look. It's generally said in words as O, O. Let's have a look at a few words. Very common words have those letters as goat, goat. You can hear the sound O, oat, oat, that you have in the morning, oat, or soap. You have a shower with soap. Moan, moan, when you're complaining, you moan. A boat, also, very common, easy word. There are a few exceptions as well that we're going to be having a look at. Approach, approach. Here is our first exception. Coagulation. You'll see that the exceptions is when you have a prefix and then the core of the word. Essentially, when a word is made up of two different words, a prefix and a word, then it may not be pronounced as O, as in coagulation here. We'll have a look at another example, but generally, O, as in road, road, or board, board. Well, I guess that's a different sound here, a long O sound. Board, board. Yes, there are exceptions. That's another exception. Retroaction. Another word with a prefix, retro, action, retro meaning backward, retroaction. Proactive, proactive, another word with a prefix, but generally you've understood it. O as in coat, coat, or Rome, Rome. Yeah, and now you pretty much know it all. Broad, our last example. This is how to pronounce O, or the letters OA together in words in English. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. It helps me immensely making more of those. More videos for you here to learn more pronunciations in English. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.